Have you ever looked at a record in Farmbrite and wondered who made the last changes to it? Perhaps you spotted a mistake, or maybe you saw an efficient improvement and want to know which one of your farm hands had such a great idea. You can now access an audit log report in Farmbrite to see the changes, who made them, and when they were made. To access the audit log report, navigate to Reports, Standard Reports, and you'll see the audit log under Admin Reports. I want you to be immediately aware that the audit log report is available to admin level users with a Farmbrite Premium subscription. These logs start on February 1st, 2024, and are kept for 90 days. If you upgrade to a premium subscription to utilize this feature, your logs will start at the time you upgrade. As we scroll through this report, you'll see that the audit log tracks many different aspects of your Farmbrite system. We encourage you to check out our help article for a full list, but overall, the logs are recorded when records are created, updated, or deleted. You'll see tracking for your warehouse, livestock, tasks, accounting, equipment, plantings, grow locations, your map, custom reports, inventory, contacts, budgets, and a lot more. The logged records will track what was changed in an update under the Details link. You'll see when the update occurred, who did it, and have a link to the record. We'll see all the fields that were updated with their previous values, and then the changes made and the new data. For this recently birthed goat, we can see the birth weight was updated, we've added its coloring, filled out some custom fields, given it tracking IDs, and added information about its tag. So as an example, if we later realize that the goat was incorrectly tagged, and there was a discrepancy between the numbers shown in Farmbrite and the actual tag on the animal, we could then track this back to Chris making the update at this date and time, and maybe ask him for more information about the situation. The audit log is shown chronologically, but if you're looking for something specific, you can search or filter. When we click Filter, we can search by date, event type, and user. If we clear the filters, we can search for specific records. There's our goats, but we could look up plants or equipment and many other options. If you'd like to save a copy of this report, you can download it into a spreadsheet or print it, where you can physically print it on paper or save it as a PDF. Let us know if you have any questions as you explore this report.